Hey guys, this is Sam here with South Hills Lincoln. Today I am standing in front of, you'll never believe this, a 2023 Lincoln Corsair Grand Touring. Ben and Laura from Lincoln actually brought this to us, and I have so many different things to say about it upon first impressions. I mean, I'm gonna be here till 7 o'clock tonight. I don't know how long they're gonna be here, but there's no way that I have enough time to make as many videos as I want to about this. So I'm just gonna do the simplest one I can, and I'm gonna talk about the color, which is Whisper Blue. Now this is called Whisper Blue. As you can see, the grill has been dropped, like I said in another video. And you guys have seen our other videos about the 23. You know how excited I was for this whole thing to come in. Whisper Blue is a little bit more of a flat color. It's the type that, and Ben even mentioned this, if you see it like in the sun, or you flash, your phone's flashlight at, you're gonna see there's definitely a bit of a shine. This is a type of pattern that Lincoln's adding to their colors where it's almost flat, but it really isn't quite flat. It has a little bit of a metallic clear coat to it. It's almost like a darker, more royal version of like Area 51, like the Ford Bronco color. That's what we're kind of seeing here. But this is a brand new color for 2023. The two colors Lincoln dropped for 2023 were Elite Blue and Ocean Drive Blue. They replaced it with Whisper Blue and another one called Crystal Red. The Whisper Blue and Crystal Red are both Corsair exclusive colors. They're not available on any other Lincoln right now. Man, I am so excited. I cannot wait for these things to come in. This one also has the smoked truffle interior. I might include a picture or two of that as well. That, I mean, oh my gosh. I have so much to say about this thing. I cannot wait for these to start coming in. I was told that they're gonna start coming in, should see our first couple by the end of April, but I'm gonna get as many videos as I possibly can for you guys about once this finally gets here. But that's it for Whisper Blue. I love this color. I cannot wait to start seeing more of these. And what do you guys think of that grill? Let me know in the comments below. Love to hear what you guys think. Right now, we have a bunch of 2023 Corsairs on the way. The order banks are still open for standard and reserves, but no longer Grand Tourings as of last week. They've taken so many orders on Grand Tourings, they can't even fill them anymore. There are too many. And we're just getting rid of the rest of our 22s. But if you guys are interested in the Corsair, give us a call at 724-941-1600 and ask for Sam or extension 522, and I'll take it from there. Other than that, I am trying to work with as many people as possible, as humanly possible. So I will pay you for every person who comes in and buys from me saying you referred them. If they come in and buy from me and we know you referred them, we will send you a check as a thank you. For anyone who doesn't want a brand new Lincoln, we have a very generous pre-owned inventory, most of which is Lincoln certified with an incredible warranty. We have a Ford store I can sell through as well. And for anyone who lives far from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, we do deliver. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, but thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome rest of your day.